Okay, this is a theorem number 25. It is a converse of theorem 24. What is this? Chords of a circle equidistant from the center of the circle. What is the meaning of this one? It is given that they are equidistant from the center, and we have to prove that these two chords are equal. So as you proved theorem number 24, okay, we will take these two triangles PBO and ODQ, and we have to prove that these two triangles are congruent. So after proving that these two triangles are congruent, PB is equal to QD, we can prove because corresponding parts of the congruent triangles, and PB is equal to 1 upon 2AB and QD is equal to 1 upon 2CD. So chord AB is equal to chord CD, right? Now this is a theorem number 26. There is one and only one circle which passes through three given points not in a straight line. What it is saying, that if a circle is passing through 3 points, it does mean these 3 points cannot be in the straight line. We have to prove it. We have to prove that these 3 points are not in the straight line. Okay, to prove one and only one circle can be drawn from A, B and C, because if they are in same line, it means circle cannot be drawn, right? See, proving of this one. Since O lies on the perpendicular bisector of AB, therefore OA is equal to OB. Each point of the perpendicular bisector is equidistant from the extremities of the line. Second, since O lies on perpendicular bisector of BC, therefore OB is equal to OC, right? Third is OA is equal to OB is equal to OC, and O is a center of the circle. If O is a center of the circle, so we cannot say that ABC are on the straight line, on the same straight line, right? So O is equidistant from A, B and C. If a circle is drawn with O as a center and OA is radius, the circle will pass through B and C also. Since the perpendicular bisectors of AB and BC cut each other at point O only, and O is the only point equidistant from A, B and C, therefore we can say one and only one circle can be drawn through point A, B and C, not in a straight line. So only one circle can be drawn from these 3 points. Those are not in a straight line, right? Thank you.